So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to find your tracking number on Etsy. So guys, first of all you will have to open any web browser on your computer and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, first of all you will have to log into your account, and after that you guys will see this option right here called your account. Now you have to just click on it and then you guys will see a bunch of options right there. Now you just have to select the first one, that is called purchases and reviews. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys can see I have not yet made any purchases, but you guys will definitely have one. So after choosing the particular product you want to find its tracking number, you guys have to first of all click on that particular product, and then you guys can able to see tracking number if the seller supports the Etsy delivery system. So that's how you will find the tracking system of that particular order. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.